Hi everyone, it's Christmas time and time to put on a few Christmas decorations. Oh, that's better. I feel really good now for very festive. So this week we've got phrasal verbs connected to Christmas. How much fun can that be? Come on, let's go. Now this is really exciting. I'm sure that you love this time of year. So I'm going to teach you a few phrasal verbs that you can use around this time. Okay, so my family and I always really look forward to Christmas. Now this means that you get really excited about it and you think about it a lot before, and you have great expectations of what Christmas is going to be like, and I'm sure that you're the same, that you look forward to Christmas. Then we've got I love it as the atmosphere gradually builds up and everyone starts to think about what presents to buy. So builds up means that it's increasing, okay? The atmosphere is getting more and more exciting and everybody's thinking, okay, what am I going to buy my brother? What am I going to buy my boyfriend? And thinking about those presents. So there's like a build up to Christmas. Now it can be used as a phrasal verb or you can use it as a noun. I love the build up to Christmas. At the beginning of December, we put up the Christmas tree and all the decorations. This is such a fun activity, isn't it? So putting up means to place the decorations in the correct places. For example, you put tinsel on the Christmas tree, you put baubles on the Christmas tree, and you put maybe holly and ivy all around your house to make it look really pretty and festive. We all cheer when my husband switches on the lights. They are so pretty. Now these are the lights on the Christmas tree. Switch on is when you turn them on, you make the electricity come into the lights and make them work. So this is so pretty when you see the lights, and you really know that it's Christmas when you see those lovely pretty lights. We love wrapping up all the presents. It's so much fun, yeah? You get all the presents, you get sellotape, and you start wrapping them up together, cutting out the paper and wrapping them up with lots of lovely, beautiful Christmas paper. So that's to wrap up. It means to cover something in paper in this case, so you can't see what is inside. Sometimes carol singers come round to our house and we all sing along. It's such fun. Now sing along means to sing together with another person or another group of people. Now this is something that in Britain it's very typical. People come round to your house and they stand outside and they sing carols, Christmas carols. These are Christmas songs, and then you sing along. Sometimes we sing along, so we sing with those carol singers. My husband and I normally manage to take time off from work over the festive season. This is lovely to have a little break, okay, to have some time off to relax during the festive season. So we normally try to take off a week and then we can really enjoy the Christmas spirit and relax. On Christmas Eve, my daughters hang up stockings at the end of their beds so that Father Christmas can put nice little presents inside them. So this is when you put like a hook on the bed and you put the stocking at the end of the bed so that you can put things in it. And it's a very nice tradition. They always want to stay up late on Christmas Eve so that they can catch a glimpse of Father Christmas. So the children, they love staying up late. They don't want to go to bed. They stay up later than usual. They don't go to bed because they want to see Father Christmas. But they won't see him because Father Christmas is very clever. No one sees Father Christmas. My husband dresses up as Santa Claus and sneaks into our daughter's bedroom to leave their presents. So, dresses up means you put on a costume and you pretend to be someone else. When the girls wake up, they unwrap all their gifts and bring them in to show my husband and me. So wake up is to stop sleeping. So yeah, the girls, they get so excited and then they come rushing in. Mummy, Daddy, look what we've got. And they were so excited with all their lovely, lovely presents. On Christmas morning, we always meet up with my brother's family at the local pub. There's nothing nicer than a nice drink before lunch on Christmas Day, and it's such a great place to meet up with people, to have a little meeting with someone in a place, all right? So arrange and see someone in a nice place. We usually end up eating far too much turkey and Christmas pudding. This is when you kind of finish eating. So we end up eating too much turkey and Christmas pudding. Then we curl up together on the sofa and watch a few Christmas movies. So we've eaten a lot, and so we get on the sofa, wrap up together, maybe we have a blanket on top of us, and we all snuggle up together and we watch the telly. It's lovely. We all feel a bit sad when we have to take down the tree and the decorations. So at the end of the Christmas season, we have to take everything down. We have to remove all the decorations and take away the tree and put it out to be collected. All right, so we take down the decorations and Christmas is over. Oh. Today I've prepared you some other little activities that could be really fun. You've got a matching activity with these phrasal verbs and the definitions. So you just have to drag them together. So that'll help you to practice that. You've also got another activity where you've got some sentences and you've got to put the correct verbs into the sentences. I suggest that you use the quiz version here because the matching one might be a bit difficult. Use the quiz one where it gives you maybe 4 options and you choose the right option. That's going to really help you to remember those phrasal verbs. And if you want to play with your friends, you've got a little wheel of fortune where you can do a bit of speaking as well. If you want to do that, maybe you can have a little Christmas party and do a bit of Christmas speaking in English. How good would that be? So, happy Christmas.